Hey everybody, this is Mark from Prince Tech Services, and just want to make a quick video today to let you know about a common problem that plagues the 8 series phones. This is an 8 Plus. It went into a local shop for a screen replacement, and once they put the new screen on, they booted it up. It booted just fine, but when it got booted up, it showed 1%, and it pulled a third of an amp on charging. So basically, what happened here is your LCD connector is, of course, right here, and the component that causes this issue is right here. These two guys. All right, you guys see that? Sorry, these two guys here. They're call them what you want, triangle MOSFETs, whatever. They're gas gauge MOSFETs, and they communicate through the battery connector here. The battery sends its signal telling the board this is how much juice I got. That signal goes from these data pins here and here through these MOSFETs and to the phone. Okay, so that's basically how it works. If these MOSFETs are damaged, then it's not going to give you an accurate reading. Most typically, when it's missing a signal, it'll give 1%. That's the common fault. This is what some of you guys may have heard SWI line. There you go. These guys. Okay. Gas gauge line. Whatever, the common name for it is today. So anyway, what happens, we'll zoom in here. What happens is somebody either sticks a tool or something under this corner to pop up the connector. And when they do, they get a hold of this guy. Now, as you can see there, he's loose. He's coming off. He's gone almost. All right, so I'm not going to pull him up because I don't want to destroy the pad. But yeah, this is a common problem. Let me get this in focus a little bit better. This is a common problem. So if you have a shop out there and you get done with a screen change, and all of a sudden this phone, an 8 series phone, will not go past 1%, this is more than likely a problem. This whole area is covered with that annoying foam that's glued on. So these guys are actually covered. So when your technician goes in to replace the screen, he's not going to see these guys. They're going to be covered. So if not anything else, give a word to your technicians, let them know. Be very careful, especially around this left-hand top corner of the LCD connector. Don't put any tools in there. A lot of times what I do, there's nothing on this side. So I pop them off here, pop it off there. It's a wrap. And you don't have to worry about knocking anything off. Alright guys, just wanted to pass that on. I'm going to go ahead and change these guys out. Pretty simple. A little hot air, a little flux, new one, good to go. You can actually, if you're a micro soldering tech out there, you can rob these from the 10 series, another 8 series phone or board, or you can order them. I got a pack of them the other day from mobilecentrics.com, so they have them in stock if you want to head on over there. If you need these repaired, feel free, leave me a message here on YouTube, or I'm going to be posting this on my website and my Facebook page. So hit us up, Prince Tech Services. Search us on Facebook, search us on Google. We're there. We're located right outside New Orleans, Louisiana. All right, you guys, have a good day.